Shout out.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop, and it's time for Shout Out Video 14, and I'm here, see? And we're going to do another collectible book because, as you can see, a lot of these tabs represent stuff we have videos of, something for you to check out in the channel. So video 14 now is for the Shout Out group on our website. And you don't know what I'm talking about? Well, check in the description. You'll see a link there to get a shout out, and you'll also see a link there to find out where your name is. We got this huge page. It's probably 1,000 people now. Everybody has a place on the shout out list. So everybody in video 14, this one's for you. So let me get started here. I'm going to leave the book for a little bit, read a few here. We have Steve Aguilar. I love Penny. And you're from the USA? Well, thank you. We love pennies too. Fat Boy 1968 GS. What's up? This is cool. Well, not much. We're going through a book here. It's a shout out video and from the USA. Good to have you. The Firestar 1989. I love Lucky Penny Shop and also like the Hulk videos. Well, cool. Hulk hands. That's about time we have a Hulk hands video. You're from the USA. And Deca. I just wanted to tell you the importance of the word Deca to me and maybe educate your watchers before. Yeah, what is it? So we're going to have to Google that, right? You should have told us in the comment. Life is just peachy. You're from the USA. You left no comment. And Deca, don't know. You're going to correct me, I'm sure. Was from the USA also. And then I love Butter Skendels. I love Butter Skendel. I love your videos, and can I please, oh, I added those pleases, have a shout out. You're from the USA. Good to have you. I butchered your name. Let's get on to the book a little bit. All right, so as you can see, collectibles, and it's filled with pictures of Happy Meal toys. Here is all of the Happy Meal toys going year by year up to 2000, and it's where it stops. I wonder if someone's picked it up from there. About the author, Gary Henriquez. That's what it looks like. And it takes you through some history here. This looks like the McDonald's in Des Plaines. It looks like their sign. Now, we actually have a video at that McDonald's. And then here we go. So the cast of characters takes you through that. Chronological history, year, pretty neat. Let's get to the pictures, right? Oh, we're skipping to Happy Meal tests. So let's see, Happy Meal tests. Here they are. I'm going to let you look at that, all right? Let me adjust it just a little, give you a little more room there to kind of enlarge and read. And let's get on here with a Trin Nguyen. I love your videos. Love Butch. Say hi for me, will ya? Butch, hello. Butch watches these videos, so he's going to be happy you said hello. You're from the USA. Horsey Lover 919. Keep up the good work. You're from the USA. Pokemon 06BW. Love your videos. Oh, by the way, Pie. You're from the USA. Lots of E's on Pie there. Kelly Bell 1980. You didn't leave us a comment, Kel. Come on, what's going on? We want to hear from you from America. Well, that's USA, so we understand. Diggy124. Love to see you do new videos. Well, you know, if you don't know Lucky Penny Shop, we put new videos up every single day. You're from the USA. We might have had 1 or 2 days off. Cheryl Vlogs randomly. Okay, so you never know what's going to be there because she's random. Love watching your videos every day by watching different kind of toys and sweets. You are awesome, man. And you're from Hong Kong. Good to have you. I'm just flipping through here. Hope you're pausing and enlarging, seeing things you like. Quantazari. Hey, Lucky Penny Shop. I love your videos. They are really addicting. You're from Canada. Good to have you. Let me go to one of our tabs here and see if I recognize anything that we've done. I think we have these toys or seen these toys. Not sure if we made videos on those. And then Joe Mastar the Second. Joe Master the Second. Maybe that. Who knows? Love your vids, dude. You're from Australia. Well, good to have you. If I butchered your name, sorry about that. Shout out to you. 2002 Luca. Hey, Dave, I love your videos. I hope this makes the next shout out video. Well, you're number 14, so it was coming. And you're from Canada. Good to have you. Let's see. I'm going by these little purple tabs now. Oh, yeah, we've done some of these. Not sure which ones, but you look through them. Right? Remember those? Let's get to another tab. The next tab in line. Ooh, maybe the Transformers on this page. Not sure. I'll leave that there. 2002 COD Noob Tube. Love your vids. Keep it up. Max, you're from the USA. Good to have you. Ninja Turtles. I wanted to be shouted out, please. Well, we just did. Read your name and flash on the screen. Shout out to you. You're from the USA. Good to have you. Cheeky Winston. You are amazing, Dave. You are one of my favorites. Well, thank you very much. And it would mean the world for me to be shout out. Yeah, and continue with your videos. You just got it. USA. So shout out to Cheeky Winston. Jada Road didn't leave a comment. You're from the USA. Good to have you. Canadian Gamer 2001. You are the best reviewer on YouTube. Keep creating great videos. Well, thanks. Never thought we'd achieve that, but it's really appreciated. You're from Canada. Let's see. Next one here. Ooh, yes. We've done a bunch of these. But I don't recognize any of these. But I recognize the boxed ones. No, actually, I don't think we've done any of these. So I'm not sure what that tab represents. Jakiril. It says, you rock, Lucky Penny Shop, and your videos. Thanks, you're from the USA. So maybe these tabs are just things that someone wants to buy. Okay, cool. I don't recognize, Inspector Gadget down here. That's pretty cool. Okay, I got to do a page shift here. I'm running out of room on my table. It says, the Vampire Kimmy. Ooh, Vampire Kimmy. Hi from Canada. And you're from Canada, so now we know. Thanks. This Dark Angel 17. Hi, Lucky Penny Shop. You're an awesome dude. Keep up the good work. Thanks. You're from United Kingdom. Good to have you. Mendoza 02. Love your videos. And hi, Mom. Oh, hey, Mom. You're from the USA. Good to shout out to Mom, too. Andreas Patterson. Hey, man. Love your channel. Help me get subscribers. You're from the USA. Well, that's up to everybody out there. Pixwan loves hamster. You say hello, and you're from Singapore. Good to have you. Hello to you. Ooh, that one looks cool. It's a Happy Meal with candy dots in it. Ooh, a bonus 2-in-1. So I'm flipping here. Ooh, happen to be on Furby. Now these, I know we have videos of some of these for sure. Which ones? Don't know. Some Teletubbies. Otis, or Otis 92. Love your videos. Love your Aaron's Thinking Putty. You're from the USA. We love that too. It's cool stuff. Ooh, I'm looking at the pages now, not at the shout-out list. Don't have any Ronald McDonald dolls. Seen them at sales and garage sales, but never picked one up. Just never found one that was really clean and in mint condition. Probably paging too fast here. But, you know, pictures. Gotta love pictures. All the hats and Ronald McDonald swag. Alright, let's see. Almost done here. Get Dead 7777. I love Lucky Penny Shop, and you're from Finland. Good to have you. And shout out Grace Dono. I'm a huge fan. I just wanted to shout out to see if they're actually really not just fake. Well, you're from Australia. Fake? Come on. Lucky Penny Shop fake? No, we're not. We try to be as transparent as possible. Egg fried cheese. Hey, LPS Dave. I love you and the show. Thanks for the shout out. You're welcome. You're from Wales. Much appreciated. Are you a Happy Meal collector? Ooh, see? All the sets. Now, let me see if they show the set we are missing. Okay, so we have that one. We have that one. We have that one. That one. That one, that one, that one. And I thought we were missing one more, but maybe not. I heard through the grapevine there was a fish fillet maker. Not sure, it's not on this page, so maybe it came out later. And Play-Doh maker sets. Kind of neat. It's the Happy Meal Play Shop. It's a cool book. What's this? Ooh, you could win. Oh, we have a video of that one too. Cool. All right, let's get on here. Maiji Chua. Make more candy videos. Make more videos. Love your videos. From Singapore. And I probably messed your name up, and I apologize for that. Chua, not sure. Autumn Dulude. Hi, Lucky Penny Shop. I watch your videos every day. I wish there was more. Love you guys. More? There is more. Lots more coming. You're from the USA. Good to have you. Next one is Hawkeye 2000. Or Hawkeye 2000. It says, you guys rock. Keep up the good work. You're from the USA. Thanks. Much appreciated. You guys recognizing anything here? And girls? McDonald's cups. We've had those. We've had some of these coffee mugs too in the channel. I've had these. I've drinking out of that. Drinking? I've drunk. I've actually had liquid in these. Okay, Silver Bow Studios. I love to play video games and make videos of them. by I Need a Boost. A shout out would be much appreciated. You got it? Did you guys get that? Silverbow Studios from the United Kingdom. Flashed up on the screen, so check him out, or her. Amathis1, please watch my videos and sub. You're from the USA. Okay, that's everybody out there. You heard it. And that's it for number 14. Sorry, number 14. I didn't mean to, if I messed you up there. Dennis Rodman. The plates. We've got some of these plates. They're very cool. We used them in some videos. And I think that covers the book there. Let me show you that ISBN. See it? So if you want to try to find it, I believe it's not cheap either, because it's a second edition. Not sure if it's in print anymore, but you'll have to find that out. And thanks for watching. Remember, check that description. You'll see how to sign up and how to find your name. Later.
Shout out.
This video is now over. If you want to see more videos in this series, check the description, search the channel, or click here.